and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. It's still holiday time, and so I'm still making appetizers and things like that when you're going to all these different holiday parties. Well, today we're just going to watch a football game at some friend's house, so I decided just to cut up a bowl of fruit, and I wanted it to be colorful. So what I did was I took a watermelon, a cantaloupe, and a honeydew melon, all of different colors, and I'm gonna just chop them up in squares, okay? So what I've done already is I've chopped up my honeydew and my watermelon and just put it in a bowl. And next I'm going to chop up my cantaloupe, and it's gonna be another color to add to the bowl. While I'm doing that, you know what I need you guys to do? That's right, go out there and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can come in the kitchen with me and learn some new things. If you have not seen my video how to cut up a watermelon, check out that video. It's basically the same thing for all of these. I'm gonna cut it in half first, cut that half in half, and then just take out our seeds. Let's dump those. Let's take the seeds out of this one. Then we're going to take and trim off the outer part. We're just gonna guide our knife up under there. On one side, we're going to turn it around and do the exact same on the other side. If you see any more on the edges, just go around, slice those edges off. Then we're gonna lay it down. We're gonna slice it into 3 different pieces. Take those 3 pieces and just chop them. Add them to our bowl. I don't particularly like that. That was part of where the seeds were, so I'm gonna take that out of there. I'm gonna take this half and do the same seed. This is where that seed is. If I didn't cut low enough, just go ahead and slice a little bit more of that off and dump it. I'm gonna do the same with this. Try and push it down a little, because you don't want to cut your melon. You only want to cut the outer part of it off. The peeling. There's just a little bit more green right there. I'll slice that off. Smash it down so that, cut it into 3 pieces. Take those 3 pieces. Add them to our bowl. It's just that easy to make a fruit bowl. Look at those different colors. How pretty that is. So now that it's in there, I'm just gonna mix it up a little, combine it. And there we go. We got a fruit salad. I'm gonna get some of this green from the bottom. There we go. It's colorful, it's tasty, and it's done. So, out of 1 little small watermelon, 1 cantaloupe, and 1 honeydew, I actually have enough for 2 bowls. And remember, I only put that 1 half in there. So I'm gonna have a bowl for me and a bowl to take to the party. It's just that easy. So I'm gonna finish this up, go to my party, enjoy it, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.